Hi there, I'm Katie Jane with Kennedy Violins, and I'm here to talk to you about our Bunnel Tremolo Violin Effects Pedal. To really make the most of your electric violin playing, use one of Kennedy Violins' 4 dynamic electric violin pedals. The Bunnel Tremolo Effects Pedal gives you a real tremolo sound that gives you a sense of wavy motion in your tone. To use the pedal, there is an AC adapter that you can plug in here, not included with the pedal, but many people have those at home. Or you can use the 9-volt battery that slips here into the back and is included with your pedal. Just like many guitar stomp pedals, this pedal is meant to be used on the ground so that you can easily turn it on and off with the tap of your foot. There are 3 knobs here so that you can totally adjust your sound and really dial in the tone that you want. The first knob here is the rate, which will affect the speed of the tremolo sounds. The second one is going to be the wave knob, which will define the shape of the wave to be a more smooth sound or a real in and out sound. The last one is going to be the depth knob, which will adjust the depth of the tone variation on the sounds. Let's go ahead and hear what it sounds like. To use your pedal, you will need 2 cords here, both 1/4 inch. They'll plug into either side of the pedal. Then one will go into your instrument and the other into the amp or speaker here. Thanks so much. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions about our pedals or anything at all, give us a call at our local shop at 800-779-0242 or send us an email at support@kennedyviolins.com. We're all musicians and teachers here, and we'd love to hear from you. Thanks a bunch.